Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My topic is about hydroponics, the future of farming. Imagine growing fresh green vegetables without soil. Yes, we thought I will single hand to order. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. And it's called hydroponics, the farming the future. What is hydroponics? The word hydroponics comes from Greek. Hydro means water and ponics means water. So hydroponics literally means working with water. In the amazing method, plants are growing water instead of soil, using nutrients in solution that give them all the minerals they need, like nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium. The roots sit in these nutrients, water, and absorb exactly what they need, nothing more, nothing less. And thus, what the plants grow faster, healthier, and cleaner than those in soil. How does it work in hydroponics? The root of the plants are either suspended in water or supported by materials like clay, pellets, coconut, or panel. A nutrient solution is circulated often with the help of pumps and tubes. The lady does sunlight provide energy for photosynthesis. Since there are no soil, there are no weeds, no sulfates, and no nickel, heavy, and no fertilizers. Practical applications and benefits. Hydroponics is not just a school project. It revolutionizing agriculture across the world. Saves water. It uses 9% less water than traditional farming. The same water keeps cycling to the system. Space saving. Plants can grow vertically one above another, even in cities, rooftops, or inside the buildings. Faster growth and more yield. Plants can be grown 30 to 50% faster than as they get perfect nutrition directly from the water. No soil needed. Ideal for countries with poor soil quality or limited farmland. Year-round production. Hydroponic systems are used in the indoors and the greenhouses, so plants can be grown all seasons, rain and shine. Current progress around the world. In India, cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune are seeing urban hydroponics producing lettuce, spinach, and strawberries. The United Arab Emirates (UAE) is using hydroponics to grow crops in the desert. In Singapore and Japan, vertical hydroponics towers supply fresh vegetables for entire cities. And on the International Space Station, astronauts use hydroponics to grow food in the space. Yes, even there. Hydroponics also reminds us of a verse in the Quran where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Surah Qaf, Surah number 50, ayat number 9. وَنَزَّلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً مُبَارَكًا فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ جَنَّاتٍ وَحَبَّ الْحَصِيدِ. And we sent down blessed rain from the sky and made thereby garden and grain for the harvest. This teaches us water is a source of life and hydroponics is one of the modern humans are learning to use these blessings wisely. Message and future vision. Hydroponics shows how the science and the nature can work together beautifully. It's clean, efficient, and a sustainable solution for a world with growing population or limited land. Maybe one day you and I will see self-sufficient cities growing their own food by using hydroponics. No soil, no waste, just smart science. So let's dream of a greener and cleaner tomorrow where every balcony, rooftop plant will become a mini farm feeding the world. Thank you, Jazakallah.